Hi there. I just got back from the MACON conference, Marketing AI conference, a couple weeks ago, and actually was at Inbound 24 last week. And a lot of the conversations I was having there is around how companies are using AI for marketing and other business functions. And it became really obvious to me in talking to different people that people are still trying to figure out use cases for AI. So I have a really good one to share with you today. Um, this solves the problem of understanding if you're getting the right website traffic to your website. I learned about a tool last week. You embed a piece of code on your website and it can track personally identifiable information for about 20% of your website visitors. So it can actually tell you the person's name and their LinkedIn profile for the people that are visiting your website. And I know what you're thinking, like that's super creepy. And if I was some really, really hungry salesperson, I could go find those people on Zoom Info or Apollo, and I could email them 7 times and I could fill up their LinkedIn mailbox, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be more responsible than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that data that my website has collected and I'm going to analyze it using AI. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, we're in ChatGPT now. And what I've done is I've taken an export from this tool that identifies the people that are visiting our website. And I put them into a CSV file just through the tool. And I've uploaded that here to ChatGPT. Now, keep in mind, we have a paid version of ChatGPT. We're not using this to train a model or sharing publicly identifiable information with the public here. We've actually blinded the information inside of this CSV. So what I want to do here is I want to try to find out who these people are. What are they looking for? Is our website doing an effective job at attracting the right people? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. This is a list of people that visited our website in the last 5 days. Hide their names, but analyze the data and tell me what you learn. Okay, so ChatGPT is now going to do its thing. It's going to analyze the data. It is so much faster at analyzing data than I am as a human, and it does it objectively. So let's look at some of the data here. So you can see some of the people that have visited my website are represented in the following industries. So information tech and services, marketing and advertising, hospital and healthcare, consumer services, management consulting, environmental services. So this is interesting because we serve healthcare companies. We serve professional services companies. So that's interesting that we are getting some traffic from the website in those industries. So you can see here employee counts of those businesses. You can see a majority of the visitors viewed only one page during their visit. Well, that might be a problem, right? So that might be something we need to look at solving. The geographic distribution, we've got Florida, Virginia. We're based in Virginia. So really around the country, kind of a diverse range there. Let's see what else we can learn about these people. Analyze the data for the seniority of the people visiting our website based on their job titles. All right, we're going to let it ChatGPT think here. We're going to learn about the seniority of these people. Are these people that would be good to sell to? Are these people that are just searching for information? Where might they be here? So we're looking at, some executives, some individual contributors, some directors, some managers. So really a mix of people here are looking at the website. Wonder what stage of the buyer's journey they might be in. Let's find out. What stage of the buyer's journey might these people be in? Now, keep in mind, what I've done here is I have actually uploaded our customer journey to ChatGPT so that it can analyze that and figure this out. So it looks like we've got some people who could likely be in the consideration or decision stage. So that's interesting. We might have some people who are considering a purchase with our company. We got some directors, some managers, individual contributors. So you can see what stage of the customer journey they're in. That's really interesting. So we've learned about industry. We've learned about seniority of the people. We've learned about the stage in the buyer's journey. I wonder if these people actually resemble our customer personas. So keep in mind what I've done here, and what I can do is I can actually upload our customer personas. So I'm going to do that here. And I have uploaded our customer personas, and I would say analyze the website visitors. How do they compare to our target personas? All right, so looks something went wrong, so we're going to regenerate that, see if this works this time around. ChatGPT is going to go through and analyze this, and you can see here, these are some of our customer personas. We've got marketing Melissa and CEO Chuck, and here's the analysis of the website visitors. So we've got some executives, directors, managers. We already learned this, right? We already learned what's going on here. So we'll let ChatGPT think just a few minutes. And we've got now the analysis of the website visitors and the comparison visitors. So we have CEO Chuck-like visitors are present. They're a smaller portion of the traffic. I would expect that because those people are probably closer to making a decision. And then we have our marketing Melissa-like visitors. They're also present. They're a much bigger portion. They're probably researching, right? Researching services. We also have some individual contributors. Awesome. They're probably contributing to that research. So here are some next steps. Oh, wow. ChatGPT even gave us some suggestions. So let's see what it says. Tailor messaging, given the numbers of directors and executives. Emphasize content that highlights ROI, case studies, and metrics-driven success stories to capture the attention of our target personas. Awesome. So it's giving us some suggestions for improving our web content. So I think there's one more thing that we can probably figure out here, and let's try to figure out what their content preferences are, right? So analyzing the visit data that you have, what are their content preferences? So this tool also is capturing the pages on our website that they're visiting. So we can also ask them, what are their target content preferences? So let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. So obviously blogs, the most visited content type. So I'm going to stop the scrolling here and we'll look at this. So this indicates a strong interest in educational or thought leadership content, which aligns with the awareness and the consideration stages of our buyer's journey. Okay, so the fact that we are working on our blog, that we're publishing on our blog, that we have a blog with 800 articles on it, indicates that, okay, maybe we do have some alignment with what our customers are looking for. We've got some services page views. So it looks like some people could be looking at actual services that we offer. There's some case study views and there's some about pages. So it looks like people are mostly in the awareness and consideration stages, which that makes total sense to me, that they would be looking for services, doing some research and trying to figure out if we might have a solution for them. So anyway, this is just a small example of some analysis that you can do with the mounds and mounds of data that you're collecting. Now, obviously, this is website data. This is a paid tool that we're using to get this information. I'm in a free trial right now, so I got this information for free about the people that are visiting, and I'm comparing it with what we did when we redesigned our website, right? So when we redesigned our website, we really want to reach the target persona. And this is telling me that the content on our website is helping us to reach that customer persona that we're looking to do business with. So I can go back to the team and say, hey, we've been successful at this website redesign because we're attracting the kind of traffic that we want to attract. So you can do this same kind of analysis with any other data that you have. So for example, if you have LinkedIn profiles of current customers, you can get it to analyze that. Or if you've got information from Google Search Console or from Google Analytics. But this is really interesting data to find and try to find some ways to improve your website, because we're never done with our websites, right? Our websites are a living, breathing document that needs to be updated on a regular basis. And what we're able to do through these quick analysis tools with artificial intelligence is do our analysis for us, help us understand this data in a better way, and making it actionable for us. Thanks. Hope that was helpful.